Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate the Case Account tab within the Case Management screen. The Case Account tab provides a comprehensive overview of all transactions associated with a patient's case, streamlining the reconciliation process. Having this consolidated view in one tab saves time and facilitates a more efficient assessment of all transactional movements. In this video, we will start on a Case Management screen. To find the desired case, whether active, finalized, archived, etc., click on the Active drop-down menu and choose the All option. Opting for the All selection simplifies the process of locating the correct case. Now, let's locate the desired patient by clicking on the Search by Patient case field. With the patient list now filtered, select the data from the results. The Case Management sidebar will open. To learn more on the Case Management sidebar, please refer to the Case Management screen sidebar, navigation and use user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Case Edit button. The Hospital Case screen will open. For more information regarding the Hospital Case screen, please refer to the How to Create a New Hospital Case user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Case Account tab located on the navigation bar. The Case Account screen will open. The Case Account screen categorizes information into distinct columns, thereby presenting a comprehensive array of details related to the case account. The All Transactions view provides a comprehensive overview of every transaction recorded on a debtor or patient's account, which includes details on the invoices, receipts, credit notes, and other pertinent information. Double-clicking on any invoice allows you to view each individual invoice line and access additional actions that can be performed on the listed transactions. To learn more about the different tabs being displayed, please refer to the different tab functions on the Invoice Lines user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Invoices button to view only the invoices made on the case. Please be aware that even credit notes will display on the screen. Click on the Invoices button again to deselect them and allow other items to be displayed alongside. Please note that this deselection method also applies to the Receipts tab and the Journals tab. Click on the Receipts button to view only the receipts which was performed on the case. Click on the Journals button to look at the journals that was done on the case. Exclude zero amounts implies that invoices or transactions with zero amounts will be omitted from the transactions list unless the button is adjusted to include zero amounts. To learn more about the case screen buttons located at the bottom of the screen, please refer to the How to Create a New Hospital Case user manual, linked in this video's description.